Hi, I'm JR Slugger with Lifetime Nut Covers. Introducing you to a new product that we came out with called the hard locking hanger. It's a plastic injected molded part to hang any and every tool you can think of in your shops. This tool here has a 210 pound straight pulling force magnet on the back of it, so plenty of holding force to hang anything and everything in your shop, whether it be battery powered tools to brooms to anything. We'll get started here and kind of show you what the process is. Now, everybody has a bench in their shop that probably looks similar to this. Can't normally find a tool that you're looking for. Everybody has electronic tools now, battery powered tools that are piled all over your bench. Space is taken up, so you have no more benches to work on. Now your bench area is clean. Everything is magnetic mostly in shops, so you can hang these hard locking hangers anywhere and everywhere to put up all your tools. If you're not using the drawers on everything here, you can actually even hang your hoses, anything right on the front of the drawer. It's not going to hurt anything. Everything still opens and closes as it should. Now, with your air compressor, everybody has an air compressor in their shop, most likely. It's not always the same as ours, where ours is up on a stand and we can see that we have clutter everywhere. Instead of having this clutter and processes parts sitting everywhere underneath the compressor on the side of it, you don't have to have a cabinet next to it. Bam, now you have an accessory hub as your air compressor. You can mount anything from spray wash bottles to air guns to tire checkers, anything that you use on your air compressor. Instead of wasted space, now it becomes useful space. You can put tons of these all over your air compressor and attach and organize everything to it, so it's right there when you need it, when you want it. Now, everybody has drawers like this on their toolbox. So they got one drawer that's dedicated for all their battery powered tools. You throw them in there, you pile them in there, you have to sort through them every single time. It's a mess, it's a distraction. It takes longer to get your tools. Everything's piled in just like this. But now with the hard locking hangers, you can take them and you can use them on the side of your toolbox. The side here that is just wasted real estate. It's nice looking when you look at the toolbox, but now when you actually take and attach them and hang all your tools on there, when you walk up to the toolbox, everything's there, it's organized, you can see everything. They're not piled together. They're hung up nicely. These hold everything from DeWalt to Milwaukee to Snap-on, anything and everything. They will hold every kind of battery powered tool. Doesn't matter if it's a cutoff wheel, a drill, an impact, holds all the way up to a 1/2 inch DeWalt impact, 1/2 inch Snap-on impact, all the big tools. Easily just pop this off, move it to a different location for a bigger tool. Now, if you got a project that you're working on and you have tools scattered everywhere, on the floor, on the frame, all over the place, it's just an unorganized mess. You're always constantly looking for tools, trying to find something, find what you're looking for. Now, with the hard locking hangers, you can attach them anywhere. Anything that's metal, you just attach them to the side of the frame, hang all your tool racks, you can hang all your tools, hammers, anything and everything. So when you're working on stuff, it can be sitting right there, arm's reach, right in front of you, organized. So you don't have to be crawling around on the floor searching for everything. Now when you're working on something here, so you're using this hammer, you got to go to the other side to work on that. Just pop that hard locking hanger off, twist upwards normally to remove it easier, slide it over to the other side, snap it on there. You can go back to work on the other side. And then when you're done, just hang it right back up on the hanger. Away you go. Now, any of you guys that are working, mechanics, you're underneath a car lift all day, everybody knows how this goes. You have a car. Almost everything is metal on the car from the front to the back. So there's so many different places you can attach a hard locking hanger. Inside of a frame, bumpers, doesn't matter. Front to back, you can do anything with these. A lot of times you drag your toolbox underneath, isn't a ton of space for that. Can't normally reach your tools when you're wanting to get them. Nothing's in arm's reach. So now when you're underneath here working on this, you look around, the closest place is your lift arms. Now how nice would it be to hang all your tools right on these lift arms, just like this. Pop one on, hang all your tools on there, anything, everything is accessible, it's right next to you. Now even if you're working on wheel hubs, same thing. You can't get a toolbox to fit underneath there, everything's metal. You can hang it on the frame. There's no room on the floor for your toolbox, say. Now, just put everything right back on the lifting arms, hang your hammers, whether it's simple stuff, hammers, air hoses, guns, everything. Even coming into a normal shop, instead of drilling holes, hanging hooks, nobody wants to do that in a brand new shop. Nobody enjoys that. And this is what it ends up normally looking at, because nothing's spaced right, nothing's working right. Now you put the hard locking hangers wherever you want, however you want. Hanging brooms, hammers, coats, employees' bags, everything. Everything is clean. Organization is everything with these. Place them wherever you want, make everything look right, find everything easier. It's just a way better option all around. Now when you're outside and you're wanting to pull a vehicle up to your shop to wash it, everybody's worried about putting brushes on the ground, getting rocks, dirt, everything on the brushes, throwing the guns on the ground, the soap jars on the ground, everything. Now you have a tin shop, bam, there you go. Hang the brushes up, hang your guns up, hang all your scrub brushes up, foam mitts, everything. Put it up there so you have an organized washing station. Not everything needs to be thrown on the ground and getting dirty. These right here help with everything. Like I said, doesn't matter what it is. Anything that's a metal surface can be a new place to put a hard locking hanger to have organization at all times. This is 100% approved by Sir Winston. Also in our CNC shop, you have CNC machines. They're also made out of metal. We're always hanging our air hoses on a handle. There are some attachments there, but a lot of times your benches look like this. Tools, hammers, pliers, everything, all over the bench, making clutter everywhere. When you could have a better working space, you just pop everything off, pop some hard locking hangers on. Everything can be held on the side of the machine, so instead of wasted space, now you have useful space. So now you could be using your benches free and clear, and everything's hanging on your machines and looks organized and complete. So there you have it, folks. The hard locking hangers. We've just shown you the tip of the iceberg. This thing has endless opportunities to help you out in your shop with cleanliness, organization, just fixing tons of problems here for you to find your tools and organize your shop for you.